Fragile X syndrome is the world's most common inherited cause of mental impairment and the most widespread single gene cause of autism. Fragile X syndrome occurs in about 1 in 4,000 in males and 1 in 6,000 to 8,000 in females. Fragile X syndrome is associated with a change or mutation in a gene on the X chromosome. Humans have 23 chromosomes, and the X and Y chromosomes are the ones that determine your gender. Females have 2 X chromosomes, and males have 1 X and 1 Y. Girls receive 1 X chromosome from their mother and 1 from their father. Boys receive 1 X chromosome from their mother and a Y chromosome from their father. Chromosomes are located in your cells, and every cell in your body has the same chromosomes. Chromosomes are strands of DNA that contain many genes. A gene consists of a long combination of 4 different letters, A, C, G, or T. Different combinations of the letters A, C, G, T give people different characteristics. There's a gene on the X chromosome called the FMR gene that is responsible for producing a protein that is vital for normal brain development. It is normal for this gene to have a section of up to 44 repeats of the letters CGG. In some people, however, this gene may contain between 55 and 200 repeats. This is known as a Fragile X pre-mutation. A person with this pre-mutation is called a carrier. Fragile X syndrome occurs when this gene contains over 200 CGG repeats. The long segment of CGG letters turns off, silences, the FMR1 gene, which prevents the gene from producing proteins, which in turn disrupts brain development. The Fragile X mutation can be passed down through each generation. Daughters born to male carriers will inherit their father's affected X chromosome. They will also be carriers. Sons born to male carriers will not inherit their father's X chromosome and will therefore not be affected by Fragile X. Because females have 2 X chromosomes, children born to female carriers have a 50% chance of inheriting the affected gene. Those who inherit this gene will either be a carrier or have Fragile X syndrome, depending on whether or not the pre-mutation expands into a full mutation. Pre-mutations are unstable when they are passed from mother to child. Fragile X results in learning disabilities, cognitive impairment, autistic behaviors, hyperactivity, and unique physical characteristics. Infants with Fragile X syndrome may display poor muscle tone, gastric reflux, frequent ear infections. Their motor and mental milestones, as well as their speech, tend to be delayed. Males with Fragile X syndrome often have unique physical features, such as a long, narrow face, a prominent jaw and forehead, a large head, flexible joints, flat feet, large ears. These symptoms